What's up, JK Adventure fans? It is Thursday, officially Thirsty Thursdays, December 10th, and today I just got off of work. Right now I'm driving, sorry, so it's a little difficult to stare at the camera. I just got out of work, finally. One more day of work, and then it's the weekend. I'm on my way to my nail appointment to get these crusty old things done. We haven't filmed much today. I mean, it's really kind of hard to film during the day when you're at work, you're busy, and just, you know, it's just work. It's so boring. Well, you know, it's not video content and fun for you guys to see. So I think Kirk is taking Blue to the dog park while I'm getting my nails done. So hopefully he'll film that. Before you guys go, don't forget to like and subscribe and comment down below on what your favorite day of the week is, I guess. I mean, I would hope it's Friday because I love Fridays. So I'll catch you guys in a little bit. Bye!
What's up, JK Adventures? Y'all already know who it is. It's your boy Kirk. It's dark out here, so I don't know how the lighting is. I'm with my boy Earl. I doubt you can see him.
Yeah,
I got a flashlight.
Put a filter on it for me, bro.
This is my boy. That's my boy. We're at the dog park. One of the dog parks. It's very dark, pitch black. So we got Blue out here. He's gonna run around and get some exercise in, and that's pretty much gonna be the deal for the night right now. So stay tuned. You got Juanita looking pretty, getting her nails done and stuff. Lucky girl, getting pampered. The norm. There he is, Mr. Blue in the park. It's very dark out here, so I got the flashlight to make sure there's no snakes or anything weird like that. I'm checking the area as well. Doing my dad due diligence. He's probably gonna let one rip, so I'll cut it right here, but this is how we're spending the afternoon right now.
And just like that, guys, I am officially done doing my nails. It took a while. It was relaxing though. I love to go get my nails done. Me and my mom go together. It's just so relaxing to go, you know, get out, do your nails, pamper yourself. It's really much needed, you know, especially when you work all the time and stuff. It's much needed. But are you guys want to see my nails? Look, I got red and I got little snowflakes on them. I don't know if you could see them, but it's like sparkly red with snowflakes. It's so cute. It's for Christmas, because Christmas is coming up. You know, the holidays. But yeah, those are my nails. So I'm on my way home. Not too sure what we're doing tonight for anything, because it's a little late already. It's already 7 o'clock. And yeah, this might be the last clip of the vlog. So if it is, let me tell you guys. I hope you guys enjoyed it. I hope you guys enjoyed this vlog, and we'll catch you guys tomorrow. Bye! Good morning, JK Adventures! It's Friday. Friday! I think it's the 12th of December today, and currently I am driving to somewhere different. I'm not driving to work. Kirk are actually driving to take my car, my motorcycle, which, fun fact, if you guys didn't know, I have a motorcycle. Kirk's driving, that's him right in the front. Yeah, fun fact, I have to get new tires on it, so we're on our way to get new tires for the motorcycle. But I hope everyone's having a blessed Friday, and let's be thankful it's friggin' Friday. Woo! What's up, JK Adventure fans? It's Friday. I mentioned that earlier. And I just got home. I'm gonna walk Blue in a second. Kirk got a package, and we've been waiting for this package, I think, for months. And we don't know if it's it. So he wants me to open it because there's nothing else that we're expecting in this kind of box. So I'm gonna open it on camera so I can show him. But I'll show you guys too. Let's see if I can get this. The tape is like all broken. But so I'll open it up. Oh my god, it is what he thinks it is. Let me grab the camera. So it's the Juice World boards. There's 2 of them. Yeah, 2 of them. We have been waiting for these for months. When I tell you months, I'm saying months. And months and months and months. But he got him finally. Boom! What's up, JK Adventures? It's Friday and I'm off of work. Well, I'm off of work and I dropped Kirk off at work this morning, so I am heading now to pick him up, and we got a little adventure for you guys. We are going to be going BMXing once again. We like to, you know, ride our bikes, I guess. It's fun for us. So we're going, but this time we're going to a different location. We're going to downtown Atlantic, like Delray area. So we're gonna ride our bikes. It's Friday, so we might have a little bit of drinks. Nothing too crazy though, because we have to come home a little early because we do have Blue. He's at home by himself, so we don't like to leave him out. We don't like to leave him home too often like that, like by himself for too long, because we feel bad. So we're gonna go catch a little ride, and then yeah. So I guess I will catch you guys when we get to Kirk's job. Boop.
JK Adventure fans, it's your favorite, and it's Friday, so I thought I would combine the two. It's your Friday favorite, me. We're downtown Atlantic Ave, and we're about to go to Death or Glory, hashtag not sponsored. A little Christmas shirt that we got last year. He sees you when you're drinking. Super cute shirt. We're gonna go over there, check it out, because they do have really cute decorations and stuff.
The back a sec.
And
yeah, there you go.
we'll show you that, and then we're gonna go for another bike ride. So stay tuned, hang in there, and enjoy the show.
I came to the bathroom and look at the little cute mirror they have. And they decorated the doors. Okay, JK Adventure fans, we went and we had a little bit of drinks at Death or Glory. So of water, of course, because can't drink unless you're 21.
I should have had that water.
I drink some. But now we're on our bicicletas, as you can see. So we're gonna go for a little stroll down the Ave.